So now kita tengok contoh soalan passive question. Okay, by using the definition of limit of function. Okay, so dia punya clue dia definition of a limit of function. Okay, show that the limit x square minus 6x x approaches to 4 equals to minus 8. So kita substitute fx dia. Okay, equals to x square minus 6 and then c dia is 4. And then L dia is minus 8. So substitute into definition. Okay, macam mana pun you kena start dengan definition supaya nampak lah. Okay, apa yang you nak prove. Okay, so definition is equals to this. Okay, so dia punya antecedent dia is absolute x minus 4 between 0 and delta. And then implies that consequent x square minus 6x and then minus 8 less than epsilon. So first step, we need to find the scratch word. Okay. We need to do scratch word to find delta. Okay, so to find delta, kita work from consequent. Okay, so x square minus 6x minus 8. So kita dapat x square minus 6x plus 8. And then try to factorize. So factorize, we get x minus 4, x minus 2. So one of the factor is x minus 4. Okay, now we want to find the bound of x minus 2. So to do that, we need to let x minus 4 less than 1. Okay, so bila kita kena cari bound untuk x minus 2, so you punya delta nanti kena ada minimum lah. Okay, so to eliminate the absolute, so we get x minus 4 between minus 1 and 1. Okay, now kita move minus 4 to both sides, so x between 3 and 5. Now to find bound untuk x minus 2. Okay, so to find bound for x minus 2, so kita minus 2 both sides. Okay, so 3 minus 2, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. Then, kita substitute absolute x minus 2 with 3. So, kita move 3 to the right hand side. So, we get epsilon over 3. So, kita compare dengan delta. So, delta dia is minimum 1 and then epsilon over 3. So, once we get the delta, we can do formal proof. Okay, so given epsilon greater than 0, so we let delta minimum 1, epsilon over 3. Then, kita prove from consequent. And then lastly, kita dapat proof dia equals to epsilon, which is as required. Okay, next question. Given the limit to x plus 3, x approaches to 4 and that equals to 11. Number 1, write the definition of the limit of f at c. So, dia punya general definition. Okay, so this is part 1. Okay, general definition. Okay, now part 2. Hence, find the largest value of delta such that epsilon dia less than 0.01. So, bila dia dah ada hence, jadi kita kena guna definition from part 1 to find the largest value of delta. So, we rewrite the definition. Kita substitute dia punya c dia is 4 and then fx dia 2x plus 3 and then L dia is 11. Okay. So now, to find delta, macam biasa, we do the scratch word. 2x plus 3 minus 11. So, we get 2x minus 8. Factorize 2. So, we get x minus 4. Terus kita dapat factor of x minus 4. So, now kita move 2 to the right side. So, we get epsilon over 2. And then, epsilon over 2 ni kita compare with delta. So, we get delta is equals to epsilon over 2. So, now the question, find the largest value of delta such that epsilon less than 0.01. So, kita ambil nombor yang paling maksimum untuk epsilon which is 0.01. So, substitute 0.01 into epsilon. So, we get delta which is 0.005. So, the largest value of delta is 0.005.